Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Birds that nest in cavities incorporate discarded snake skins into their nest as a defense mechanism against predators. Plants produce caffeine as a pesticide, distorting insect behavior and sometimes causing paralysis or death. 93-year-old Pani Devi stuns India with triple gold victory at National Masters Athletics. Teenager builds his own working Lamborghini out of cardboard. Ferrari CEO says 40% of new buyers are under 40, showing how supercars are becoming more popular among the younger generation. When on an airplane, never order coffee or tea as the water tanks are rarely cleaned. Iraq is home to the world's oldest urban civilization, the Sumerians. Long-time use of mobile phones is linked to higher risk of brain tumors. Loss of blood from the brain for 8 to 10 seconds can lead to unconsciousness. Wearing well-fitting clothes enhances your appearance by highlighting your body's natural shape, boosts confidence and provides comfort. The pink-headed fruit dove is a small colorful dove that is endemic to Indonesia and it occurs in mountain forest at altitudes of 1000 to 2200 meters. It is rather shy and feeds mostly on figs and small fruits. Thailand is the only country where street food culture is deeply woven into everyday life with food stalls serving gourmet dishes at every corner. It is a cultural symbol of North Malabar, one of the ancient artistic traditions that continually proclaims the pride and grandeur of North Malabar. Thayyam is believed to have originated over 800 years ago in the northern regions of Kerala. It is thought to have evolved from ancient indigenous rituals and local folk traditions. Some wildlife sanctuaries let people safely interact with orphaned bear cubs to help them learn important social skills. Harry Potter marathon screenings are real events hosted by some theaters where people can watch all 8 movies in a row, spending nearly 24 hours at the cinema. Denmark to ban mobile phones in schools recommends children under 13 should not own smartphones. The more someone argues a point, the more emotionally invested they become in it. If you phrase criticism as a suggestion, it's easier to accept. Modern ships use heated chains to cut through ice. People assume those with better posture are more competent. Because fruit digests the fastest of all foods, fresh fruit should be eaten 1 hour before or 3 hours after other meals to prevent fermentation and digestive distress. In 1939, the New York Times predicted that television would not last because people would not want to stare at a screen for hours. The problem with television is that people must sit and keep their eyes glued on a screen. The average American family has not time for it. Study finds Italian tiramisu boosts your mood faster than coffee. Prehistoric pictograph depicting an anthropomorphic figure with bug-like eyes and antenna, Utah, USA. Meet the Scan Robot, a machine that can scan up to 2500 pages per hour by gently lifting and turning each page with a puff of air. Your body is younger than you no matter how old you are. Most of your body is less than 10 years old because your cells are always recycling themselves. The epidermis recycles every 2 to 4 weeks, red blood cells are replaced every 4 months, and your skeleton turns over every 10 years. Some experts suggest that cats developed their hissing behavior by mimicking snakes. This imitation serves as a defensive mechanism, as a snake's hiss is universally recognized as a warning sound, effectively deterring potential threats. The Apollo 11 astronauts could not get life insurance for their mission to the moon, so instead they signed autographed memorabilia that their families could sell to financially support themselves if they did not return. The US Navy's love of ice cream during World War II was so strong that in 1943 they purchased an ice cream barge, a mobile ice cream factory for sailors and marines. The barge could produce 10 gallons of ice cream every 7 minutes. A Burger King employee who worked at the company for 27 years without missing a day received a small gift bag as a recognition after his story went viral. GoFundMe campaign was set up and he eventually received over $300,000 in donation from supporters. Pelorus Jack, a dolphin found in New Zealand, became famous for escorting and guiding ships out of the French Pass, a notoriously dangerous channel used by ships for 24 years between 1888 and 1912. It helped sea vessels travel safely, so much that ships would wait for its arrival. 5 signs are seen in people who want to end relationship. Interest in talking decreases. They start making excuses and staying away. Does not care about your feelings. They start quarreling over small things. They don't make any plans for the future. Thanks for watching.